Welcome to Online Moneymaker. Please like and subscribe. Pro tips. Online money making pro tips. Autopilot day. I'm going to put $100 a day into your PayPal account on autopilot. Okay? Watch till the end though, because this is a step-by-step process, and if you miss one of those steps, it's not going to work. Okay? Well, I'm done talking with this. I'm done. Let's get right into it right now. First step is to go to likesplanet.com. Okay, go to likesplanet.com. Make yourself a little account. It's totally free. It's simple. You know, the thing with a lot of these sites is it's simple to sign up for these things. It's just throw in your email, create a password, and boom, you're in. So go in and register, create an account, and we're going to go from there. So now you're in, and now you're ready to start making some of this money. So this is a cool site. This is how it works. You basically sign up, which you already did, because you're not into this page if you didn't sign up already. You're going to like people's social media posts. You're going to get your money, and you're going to cash it out. Simple as that. This is like free PayPal money, okay? But don't forget, stay till the end, because I'm going to show you how to do this on autopilot. You're not going to have to do this yourself, okay? So this is very, very simple. Let me show you a little bit about how this works. So let's say we want to do some Facebook likes and get paid for it. You come to Earn Points Money, come down to Facebook, come over here and go to Page Likes, okay? And it's going to load up for you. And then you're going to have the opportunity to like all these posts and earn points, okay? Now, these points cash out into actual cash into your PayPal account. You might be looking at this thinking, wow, 9 points, I'm only getting 0.0018 cents to do that. This is going to take me forever to make some serious money. No, it's not, okay? I told you. I found out a way to take advantage of this. You're going to love it. So there's other ways to make money on here. So let's just go down the rabbit hole here. You could do you can get like daily bonus points. 200 by playing little games and whatnot. There's a million things you can do on here to make money. And once you start doing it, and the way I'm going to show you to do it, this is going to add up quick. This is going to be like $100 a day in your PayPal account. I promise you. By the way, do you guys like the music I've chosen for you today? If you do, hit me with a like, please. Boom, I appreciate that. And don't forget to drop me a subscribe to the channel. So I'm going to show you one of the biggest ways to make money on this site. Okay, people kind of skip this one. Come down here and scroll down to paid to do jobs right here. Click on paid to do jobs. This is where the money starts to add up. And of course, as I promised, I'm going to show you how to multiply this at the end. So you can see this particular job at the top is going to pay you 450 points to complete this job, which would just be follow this link, complete one bid, and that's it. You win that money. And these things are just coming out all day. You will not be able to run all through these on your own. Okay, this is a never-ending money-making opportunity. So, like I said, I'm going to show you now where the real money is, okay? So stay tuned here. I need you to come back up here to earn money, earn points / money. Click on it, come all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to go hit earn by referral. Earn by referral, okay? Now, this is going to be your little affiliate link, and you're going to basically get somebody else to do this work for you, and you're going to get 50% of everything they do. So basically, you're done on this site. All you're going to do is come down to get paid by referral. You're going to copy this link here, okay? And then how are we going to get people to do this for us? I'm going to show you right now. Now it's going to be time to take this into autopilot mode, okay? This is autopilot money. You've heard me mention that in some previous videos. Autopilot money is where you're not doing anything. You're just collecting the money, baby, okay? If that sounds good to you, hit the like button real quick. I need you to come over to Fiverr, fiverr.com. and you probably know what Fiverr is. This is a place where people offer their services and they get paid for it. So follow me here. I want you to type in virtual assistant. Virtual assistant. Here it is. Look. Okay. These are people that want to do your work on the computer from home for a small fee. Now, this is pretty cheap. See, we're going to scroll down here and we're going to find one that says $5. Okay, there's going to be a bunch that are going to say, I'll do it for $5. Look at this right here. This young man right here, this virtual assistant right here wants to do this for you. Oh, here, this is a better one. Look at this girl. She's cute too. She wants to do this for you for $5. So you're going to pay her $5. You're going to hit her with that link, and she's going to do this for you. She's going to make a little bit of money, but you're going to make 50% of that, okay? So you're going to pick 3 of these virtual assistants. You're going to spend $15, okay? And you're going to make back probably $200 doing that. And you're not going to have to do anything. All you're doing here is signing up for likesplanet.com. You're going down, you're getting that little referral link. You're coming over to Fiverr, and you're finding 3 of these little young virtual assistants that you're going to pay $5. They're going to do that work for you. Are you following me here? If you're liking this, hit the like button, okay? But I told you, I'm gonna hook you up here, okay? There's more than one way to do this. If you want to really take it big, this is what we're gonna do, okay? Are you ready for this? Hold on a second. Here's where the magic happens. Come to a site called Trendry.com. Trendry, Trendri.com. This is a website, kind of forum page for people looking for new business opportunities, new ways to make money. So let me show you how you're going to do this. Now, I hope you saved your link from your referral link here from likesplanet.com. I probably should have told you, copy this, put it in a folder somewhere, okay? So Trendry.com. Come over here. You got to sign up for a little account. Again, like I said before, all these things are simple to sign up for. Email, password, done, okay? Hit the like button. Go search. Ways to make money online. Okay? Type that in. And then a bunch of different threads are going to come up, okay? And you can click on one of these and you can throw in an answer, okay? Let's see, let's go different making money, okay, here we go. Perfect, different money making online ideas you can do at home. You want to click on that and you are going to be able to throw your answer in here. Hey, I found this easy website to make money on. You get paid to just like people's Facebook posts, this and that, and here's a link for you to get started. You throw in your link, they're going to follow that link, and you're going to get 50% of whatever they do. Okay, there's millions of members on this site, Trendry.com. And a lot of these members want to know, I think just like you, how to make money online, okay? So normally when somebody like me would do a video like this, what we would do is I would say in the video somewhere, hey, I'm gonna get you started for real easy. I'm gonna put a link in the description. Just click that link, and it's gonna be an easy setup for you. And then I would make 50% of that money, right? Well, I'm not doing that. I'm not gonna do that to you. I want you to do that to somebody else. Okay? If that sounds good to you, then hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So now you can see how easy it is to make autopilot money. Okay? It's stupid easy. It's stupid easy. All you got to do is just be a little smart about it. Get that little affiliate link, and there's more places to blast it than the 2 sites I just showed you, so I'm sure you can probably think of some more. Just make that autopilot money. Drop a comment in the description when you start making that money. Let me know how it goes for you. This is Online Moneymaker. Thanks for watching.